Big week ahead. Metals continue to heat up. China is back in the game, and we have an economic calendar that's guaranteed to add some volatility. Now, over the weekend, precious metals stayed front and center as silver and gold saw renewed buying out of China, where traders and institutions have been quietly increasing physical purchases over the last several days, especially if we're taking a look at silver. Now, platinum saw some strength as well as more supply concerns continue into the year, and I don't anticipate that's going to give any way anytime soon. Now, investors are positioning ahead of a very heavy economic week, and with rate cut expectations still floating around in the background, metals are continuing to get support. Now, add China's fresh demand, especially for silver, and the market is treating this as a potential second leg in the metals rally. Now, this week, what am I really watching for? I'm always going to be watching for inflation suggestions or hints from anywhere, and that includes Fed policy. Now, we do have the FOMC meeting, rate cuts in the US as well as in Canada. Retail numbers are always important, especially if we factor in consumer spending. We've got jobless numbers, a very big number we got to watch for, and global manufacturing is always something that's in the back of my mind as it hints to the demand in precious metals. Now, if inflation comes in cooler than expected, well, you can see metals probably likely to jump and the US dollar continue to pull back. Now, if data surprises comes in hotter, well, you can expect pressure on gold and silver as well as a possible lift in yields. So this is setting up to be a very, very big week for metals and the markets overall. Are you watching gold, silver, or platinum right now, or are you still watching equities? Do you anticipate that the Fed is likely to pull back or hold things level, as most people are expecting a pullback on the rates? That's it for now, everybody. I will see you at the opening bell.